Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a prompt for InVideo AI. Let's get started. To get started, first navigate to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you'll see this interface. In the message section, simply type, "Create a prompt to begin." For now, type, "What kind of video are you generating?" For example, you can type, "Give me a prompt about Batman transforming into Superman." I want a prompt for InVideo AI. This will help you create a more specific and detailed prompt for the AI to work with. ChatGPT will generate a prompt based on the topic you entered. You can now copy this prompt by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Next, navigate to the InVideo AI website, paste the prompt, and generate a video using InVideo AI. Another way to create a prompt for InVideo AI is by directly navigating to the InVideo AI website. Here, you can type in "Create a prompt." For example, type something like "Baby elephant starts flying." This will give you a prompt that you can use to generate your video. Now, click on Generate a Video, and it will quickly create a prompt for your video. And that's the simple way you can generate a prompt for InVideo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.